So hello everyone, in this video I'll be discussing about this Coderscolab website. Basically this is a technical overview of this website. So this is a full stack application which is used to connect mentors to students, where they can get mentorship by using sessions, and it also consists of blogs that mentors or the users can write. In this website I have used several technologies. The technologies are React.js in frontend for building the UI of this website, and Material UI for components such as drop downs and form components or input components. And I've used some of the components such as models and other things by using and design as well. So I'm using two libraries or two main component libraries, UI component libraries, and design and material UI. So in some of the places I've used material UI because that was needed for that, so that was the purpose for that, and for some components I've used and design as well. So this was all about front end. So in the front end I've used all these technologies. For the backend I've used Node.js as a backend server, and for the database I've used MySQL. But for connecting with MySQL and for writing all the queries, I'm using SQLize ORM, which is used to connect with the database and create database, and all those things which we do on the database, all those operations are done with the help of SQLize package. So SQLize is very helpful package when we are writing a big application in which we need to make a lot of CRUD operations. So this was in the backend, and I have to show you some of the overview of all these pages. In the next video I'll be discussing about that. Thank you for watching.